Hey guys, my name is Kaushik and welcome back to LetCode. In our previous video, we discussed how to generate the Allure report. Today, we are going to learn how to add the screenshot in our reports. Let us see how to do that. You can see that they also provided this like how to attach the screenshot after each and every block. So I'm just going to copy this, and if I go back to my editor, I can paste over here. Let me copy the entire thing so that will be easy. And here instead of this, we'll paste it here, right? Now let me delete this file here so that we can see the report fresh with all the screenshots. Now I have to just run this again, so I'm just going to run this. Okay, so test case execution successfully. Now I'm just going to kill this, so control C 2 times and then Y to kill this, and after that go back to the folder again. Here you can see that we got this Allure result and with screenshot as well. Now I have to again open the command prompt and then say Allure serve. And here you can see that we are able to get all the results with the screenshot as well, right? So after each and every spec we are able to get the screenshot, right? So here you can see that in the maximize, and that's it. Pretty cool, right? If you want to get the screenshot before each and every spec and also after each and every spec, we can still do that. Just you have to modify this. So let me quickly show you. So I'm just going to copy this and paste over here, and instead of after each I will make this as before each, and that's it. We are pretty much done. So if I go back, just let me kill this first, and if I go back to my terminal and execute the script again, okay, now again we have to go back to this particular folder and let me open my command prompt and again Allure serve. Now you might ask me, Kaushik, do I have to do this Allure serve each and every time? Not necessary. We can use the node. Once the test script is going to complete, we can trigger this automatically using the node. We'll see that maybe in some another video. And here you can see that for each and every spec we have two screenshots. So this is my before where it didn't type anything, and after you can see that it typed my name. So that's it. So for each and every spec we will get two screenshots now, and based on your requirement, so if you want only for the after or the before, you can config as you want, right? So in the next video we also see how to generate the report using for parallel execution. So that's it. It's pretty easy. Let me just quickly recap. So we have to add this two dependencies. One is for the Jasmine Allure reporter, and to generate that we have to use this Allure command line tool. Now please make sure that whenever you are going to use this Allure serve, you have to open it from the folder where we have this Allure result. Sometimes we go inside this and try to do that, and that's not going to work for sure. Okay, and the reason also I didn't cover this screenshot because any of the reporters from Jasmine can take the screenshot automatically. That's the reason we didn't learn the screenshot, how to take the screenshot as well. Okay, and after that of course we have to just copy paste from the Allure reports this two things, and then we have to run our test script. That's it. Pretty easy, right? So I hope this is clear. If you have any doubt, please do feel free to reach me on the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one very soon.